also want your taskbar like this in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So this video is for you. So let's see how we can do that. So over here you can see your CPU utilization, memory utilization, upload download speed, GPU utilization, battery, and date and time like this. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so first click on start menu, and then from here you can search Microsoft Store and open. Okay, and once open over here, make sure you are logged in with your Microsoft account, and then search Microsoft PowerToy. Okay, so this is the application. Okay, you have to search, and you have to install it. I already installed. Okay, and this will work on Windows 10 and 11 both. Okay, so once installation is done, you click on open, and once open, over here you have to click on command palette. Okay, and then click on settings, and over here you have to click on dock preview. Okay, and from here you have to enable this option. Okay, so now you can see the taskbar over here. Okay, and from here you can change the position of this bar. Okay, so right now it is top. You can select left, bottom, okay, anywhere. So for me it is top is good. Okay, so let me select top, and from here you can select the size, then theme, dark or light. Okay, so I think dark is good as per my theme. Okay, so you can completely customize your Windows 11 theme using this application. And if you need more information or a detailed video on this, so do let me know in the comment. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.